When it comes to improving your home, choosing the right contractor makes all the difference. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Troy has built a reputation for dependable service, skilled craftsmanship, and a customer-first work ethic. Whether you're upgrading your windows, repairing a roof, refreshing your siding, or tackling multiple exterior projects, you can expect a smooth, respectful, and professional experience from start to finish. Here's what sets this team apart and what you can look forward to when you choose them for your home project. A thoughtful, no-pressure consultation. Your experience begins with a friendly, informative consultation. Instead of pushing you toward the most expensive option, the team focuses on understanding your goals, budget, and concerns. They take the time to evaluate your home's needs, explain your choices clearly, and answer any questions you may have. From energy-efficient windows to durable roofing materials, you receive personalized recommendations designed to achieve long-term results, not quick, temporary fixes. Clear, upfront pricing with no surprises. Home improvement projects can feel stressful when you aren't sure what the final cost will be. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Troy sets itself apart with transparent, itemized estimates that show you exactly what you're paying for. You'll never encounter hidden fees or vague line items. The goal is to give you complete confidence before any work begins, so you can make informed decisions with total clarity. Professionalism and respect for your home. Once the project is scheduled, the crew arrives on time, fully prepared, and ready to work. They handle your home with the same care they'd give their own, from protecting landscaping to keeping the work area clean throughout every stage of the project. The team is courteous, respectful, and mindful of your space, making the entire process as comfortable and stress-free as possible. Skilled craftsmanship backed by experience. Quality is in the name, and it's the foundation of their work. Whether they're installing new windows, repairing a damaged roof, or upgrading your home's exterior siding, the crew uses proven techniques and high-quality materials built to withstand Troy's weather conditions. Their experience ensures precise installations, long-lasting durability, and a finished look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Each project is completed with meticulous attention to detail. From sealing each window opening properly to ensuring your roofing system is ventilated and protected, nothing is rushed. This careful approach provides homeowners with greater energy efficiency, improved home protection, and a beautiful final product they can take pride in. Consistent communication throughout the project. Clear communication is a top priority. You'll always know what's happening, what's next, and when the work will be completed. If any decisions need to be made mid-project, the team explains the situation honestly and provides solutions, not pressure. Their goal is to make sure you feel informed, comfortable, and in control from beginning to end. A clean job site and a beautiful finish. At the end of the job, the crew conducts a thorough cleanup so your home looks its best the moment the project is complete. No stray nails, scraps, or debris are left behind, just the clean, polished, upgraded exterior you envisioned. The team also performs a final walkthrough to ensure everything meets your expectations. A contractor you can trust long after the work is done. Your relationship doesn't end when the project does. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Troy stands behind their work and remains available for any follow-up questions or future upgrades. Their commitment to reliability and long-term customer satisfaction is why so many Troy homeowners continue to choose them again and again.